Carpenter ants can sneak into your home and cause serious damage, so it's key to spot the signs early. We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities. Number 1. Visible ants. If you see large black or reddish ants wandering around, especially in damp areas like kitchens or bathrooms, don't ignore them. These could be scouts looking for food or new nesting sites, and a few could mean a bigger problem lurking nearby. Number 2. Piles of sawdust, frass. Finding small piles of what looks like wood shavings near wooden structures is another red flag. This fine material is created as carpenter ants tunnel through wood, so if you see it, you should check the surrounding wood for damage. Number 3. Rustling sounds. Sometimes, if you listen closely, you might hear faint scratching or rustling sounds coming from your walls, especially at night. This can indicate that carpenter ants are busy tunneling away, and if you hear it, it's worth investigating. Number 4. Hollow-sounding wood. When you tap on wooden surfaces, if it sounds hollow rather than solid, that's a sign that carpenter ants have been busy excavating inside. If you suspect damage, gently probing the area can give you more clues about what's going on. Number 5. Shed wings. If you find discarded ant wings near windows or cracks, that's a clear sign a mature colony is swarming, usually during warmer months. A lot of wings means it's time to check for nearby nests before things get out of hand. Number 6. Smooth galleries in wood. When inspecting damaged wood, look for smooth tunnels made by carpenter ants. Their tunnels are clean and sanded down compared to messy termite damage, so spotting these can help you identify the problem quickly. Number 7. Ants emerging from walls or crevices. If you see ants coming out of small holes in your walls or ceilings, it suggests their nest is nearby. It's crucial to locate these entry points and seal them to prevent more ants from invading. For more guidance on dealing with carpenter ants and finding the right professionals in your area, check out our website.